Assistant Professor, Department of Biomedical Engineering, SMS College of Technology. In this video lecture, you are going to see about LED blinking. So LED blinking program is the basic program which you want to know if you are working with any microcontroller. Today we have considered Arduino board, right? So now I will tell a little bit about the Arduino board. So this is the Arduino board. So Arduino board consists of microcontroller, Atmega microcontroller, and then it has other peripherals, like there is an LED, then there is a crystal oscillator for controlling the time for this microcontroller, right? Now in this Arduino board, what we are going to do is we are going to connect LED. So LEDs are, as you can see, it is already connected here. Positive of LED is connected to 13 pin and negative of LED is connected to the ground. So you can see the LED is blinking, right? It is already been programmed and it is blinking. Now we are going to see about this LED blinking program. Now we will come to the program. So this is the Arduino IDE. Okay, IDE is Integrated Development Environment. It is a freeware. Okay, you can download it from the internet, and you write the program here. After you write the program, then you compile it and run it, and it will reflect in the microcontroller. Okay. Now we will see the program line by line. So here, this is an embedded C program. So normally embedded C program starts with #include stdio.h. Here we use this function called as void setup. Void setup. When we use void setup, no need to write #include, that is preprocessor directives, all will be initialized here itself. So void setup function. Then as we saw, LED is connected in pin number 13. So pin number 13 now has to act like an output, okay, because LED is output. So first is pin configuration. So that is done by using this instruction, pin mode 13 comma output. So when we write this instruction, pin 13 now acts like an output, okay. Then our program, LED blinking program, begins. So void loop. Okay, this is the LED blinking program function is loop. Then digital write 13 high. First we need to on the LED. To on the LED we are writing high, that is digital 1 to pin number 13. Then you need to off the LED. So before offing the LED, we need to give some delay. Because only when we give some delay, then off it, we can sense the LED is getting on and off. So this instruction or a function delay of 1000 is used to give the delay. Okay, and after that digital write 13 comma low means now we are writing digital 0 to pin number 13. Now LED will be off. Then again we give some delay 1000. So this is a loop program. This repeats on and on and on. So LED is on, then some delay, then off. So we can see the LED blinking. Okay. Suppose if you want to reduce the delay, now we have given 1000. Suppose we want to reduce it, then we can change it as say 100. Now we will change the delay to 100. This delay, and after you put off also you can change the delay to 100. This also 100. Now we will run this program by compiling. Okay, now we will go to the LED and see how it blinks. So we can see that the LED is blinking very fast because we have reduced the delay. So first it is on, then some delay, then it is off. So suppose if we reduce the delay from 100 to 10, then it is going to blink more faster and faster. When we increase the delay, it is going to blink very slower. Okay, this is the basic program, LED blinking program. So instead of LED, you can connect LCD display with the Arduino board, or if you want to connect any input, you can connect sensor like temperature sensor, pressure sensor, or any other sensor. Alright, so this is about today's lecture. Thank you.